Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie if you guys are new. Today I'm going to be doing another video on a topic that I love so much. Bags. We love bags so much. I'm literally Alyssa Lenore's biggest fan. Love bags so much. Girl therapy. It's basically girl therapy. So if you guys love this topic as well, then definitely keep on watching because today I'm going to be doing a bag review on this bag. I've had it for like half a year, I think. Yeah, half a year. So I definitely have a lot of input for this beautiful little piece, guys. So yeah, let's just get into this video. Stay tuned if you guys are interested and let's talk about it. First of all, this is from Misbehave, guys. If you guys, have been a viewer for a while, you know that I love Misbehave. And also if you follow me on like Xiaohongshu, Instagram, TikTok, obsessed with Misbehave. I have a pair of their pants. I have like another bag from them, which I did a video on, and like just like other clothes and like accessories because I'm obsessed with their logo, their print, not just because it's an M, guys. I just think it's really cute and cool and like Y2K vintage, but like a young Y2K, like a modern Y2K mix, if you will, which sounds like contradicting, but you know what I mean? Modern Y2K. This essentially is the Misbehave Blue Mini 90s bag. My boyfriend actually got me this bag this year for 520 or Lyon this year, and I've had this for a while and I've been using it a lot this year, and I just wanted to share my thoughts and review. So essentially on Essence, it says that this is a canvas shoulder bag in blue, jacquard logo pattern, and buffed leather trim throughout, has a fixed carry handle, zip closure, silver tone hardware, and he just wanted me to step out of my comfort zone and have something blue because you guys know everything in my wardrobe is like gray, black, white, and pink. So I have some blue stuff now, and yeah, been wearing it a lot. It's such a cute bag. They have so many colors in this. They have pink, black, brown, I think blue. And the funny thing is, when we went to Chicago this month, at the Starbucks Reserve, I actually saw a girl wearing the black version of this bag, but it just like was not as cute as the blue version because the black is like fully black. Like you can barely see the print. So it just looks like a basic black bag, which like if you're paying for this, then we might as well have the cute little logo showing. You know what I'm saying? Like, girl math. So again, what this bag fits: phone, wallet, keys, lipstick, no problem. And this is what it looks like from the side. Obviously you don't want to stuff it too full or else like it just doesn't look as cute, and you don't want to be like really messing up the bag, but it fits a lot and you don't have to be like super careful with it because obviously like I am still careful with it, but it's not like lamb skin or calf skin or something that's like a leather bag and I have to really baby it. So this is like really awesome, and it just looks so cute as like a little shoulder bag. You can obviously wear it like this. You can wear it in the crook of your arm, and obviously you can be holding it as well, which I usually just hold it, and it's so cute. And it just has M all throughout the bag. Right here is leather, the strap is leather, and the details are silver. So if you guys have been eyeing this bag, I definitely say go for it. Misbehave has so many different styles of bags. I have two. I have the one with like the M logo on the front and this one, and it's just so cute. You guys know my style is like Y2K and just like cute, trendy stuff, and I just feel like this literally goes perfectly with my style. So yeah, thank you to my boyfriend for this, and I will be getting a lot more use out of it because it is just so cute. Okay, so I am actually on the Essence website right now, and there is a gray and black version of this bag, which I think is really cute. So if you guys, still want to stick with like black and like very neutral colors, I'll be linking that one down below for you guys. I'll also be just linking a bunch of Misbehave bags in the description box for you guys. And with sale season coming up, it's a perfect time to be splurging and treating yourself for the holiday season. You guys worked hard this year. Like, let's just treat ourselves to a cute little bag and you'll not regret it. Literally so cute and trendy. And I have some other Misbehave pieces, or not like some, I have like another Misbehave piece on the way because of sale season, and I'm gonna be doing a haul. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned for that. But that is pretty much my bag review on this bag. Simple, trendy, cute, fits a lot, and just like a great pop of color and, you know, pattern to your outfit. If you guys are like Instagram girlies and just like are active on, you know, whatever other social media platforms and like to take pictures, this is a great little prop. I mean, like, you know, if you go to a restaurant and like put this with the food, like it just looks so good. So yeah, that is pretty much the end of today's video, guys. I had so much fun talking about this Misbehave bag, and I just love the brand and everything about it. Love looking at their new pieces. So, you know, would love to collaborate with them. Thank you guys so much for staying until the end if you guys did. It's a short video, but just wanted to recommend this style of bag, given that my other past Misbehave videos like doing kind of well. So, you know, thought this would be like a fun idea to film. So thank you guys for staying until the end. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and review. Definitely give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more bag related content. And also check me out on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.